Ladies and gentlemen, hello, my name is Austin from awfulmedia.com and welcome back. We're going to continue the WordPress theme. I'm going to take some advice and record a few videos at a time and release them over the week or two. And that way I'll take a day and just record all the videos, and then take a day and edit all the videos. And then I will have time to do my own work, and you guys will get consistent uploads. I think that'll work for a while, and we'll see how that goes, and we'll see how everybody likes that. That should work better for everybody. We are going to work on the game single page. I have changed some stuff around. I know some people don't like that, but sometimes I just have to. I took this information, the description, publisher, and title, and brought it down below the game container. So now it's below that, okay? I put it inside of a row that is 10 columns wide, and that's pretty much all I did. I put these in paragraph tags just to single them out in a different way. You can do whatever you want to there. What I want to do now is I want to bring in the post date that the date these were published, right? And we could put these in a paragraph tag as well. And we'll say PHP echo get the date. Okay, so now we should refresh that and get the date the game was posted. And then before this, I'll say published on that date. Okay, now below this, another paragraph tag, and we are going to display the amount of plays the game has received since it was published. Right. So to do that, we'll take this. Copy that. That is the thing that is setting the amount of views every time this page is loaded. That function fires off. But we're going to grab, so we're going to change that S to a G and say get the post views. Then we'll echo out the amount of views we have. Okay, so then we'll say played blah 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 times. And I believe we actually have a term already defined for that. Yeah, we do. So to say played 32 plays times. And we can change that by going to the functions.php. We have plays. We'll get rid of that and leave that blank. Refresh. Now we have played 33 times, played 34 times. It's not a very extensive system. I mean, it doesn't, worry about replicated views. It doesn't worry about fake views, bot views, none of that stuff. It literally just works every time the page is loaded. Okay, so it's not the best analytics system, so don't rely on that for anything except for the user's idea of the popularity. That's pretty much all it's for. So now we have this information here, and one thing I want to do, let's look at congregate.com. Right now, they're probably the most popular Flash game website there is, or they're not really just Flash games now. They're Unity, and I think they have some downloadable games now. Not the point. Not the point. They have tags, right? Tags are used to separate games, to put games in categories, in a sense. And we could have categories, we could have tags, we could have whatever. But I think we'll be using tags to do what they're doing, because a tag, you could have multiple tags attached to a post. But a category, it's kind of a unique category, right? You can't have this one game that's in 3 different categories, and that makes sense. So we're going to be using tags to define the category in a way. That'll make more sense maybe if you don't get it when we do that. The first thing though is if we go to the post page for the games in the dashboard, you'll see we don't have a place to define tags. And since this is a custom post type, the problem is we didn't set that to be true, right? We didn't say, hey, we want to define some tags for this. So we have to do that. So we'll come to our functions.php. We'll find our custom post type. Here's Awful Media Games. And below the supports, we're going to add another thing. It's called taxonomies. A taxonomies in WordPress, that's short speak here, is just a way to group stuff together, right? Same way categories work, tags work. They both fall under the same category. Alright, so we'll say taxonomies. Taxonomies. There we go. And we will put these inside an array, like we always do, because we'll have multiple if we want to use categories. And we'll say post tag. Should that be plural? I don't think it should be plural. Yeah, I think it should be plural. We shouldn't end that there, actually. There we go. Okay. So now we have tags over here. And the way this works, if you're not familiar with WordPress, say this game is it's titled Adventure Game, so I'd say it would fall under the Adventure tag, right? The Adventure category. And it adds that tag, and then we could say it's also an action game. And add that tag. So it's an adventure, action, action, adventure. It's not too much adventure. It's actually more action. And you can remove the adventure tag, right? So that's really cool. A really cool, easy way to identify the type of game or post. Again, this should be a universal tutorial. This shouldn't be a tutorial for people who only want to make game websites, the few of you that there are. You can take this and turn it into anything, right? Now you know how to do it. And that's kind of the point of this. So, anyway, back on track. We want to display that tag. So we'll use Google for this one because it's a bit more complex. If we go to Google and we search for WordPress tag list, we should come up with the tag list, right? Get the tag list. We want to use this to echo out the tags in a list or whatever. And you see they have different formats here. We would want to echo them out. Just echo them out in a paragraph for now. We'll change that though if we need to. So I'll come in and I'll put this in a PHP tag. And I'll paste that in. So echo tag list. Now if we come back to the game here and we refresh. I didn't update this, so there are no tags. Refresh. Tags. Action. Right? So if we add more tags, this is also an adventure game. Update. Whoa. Update. Refresh. Tags. Action. Adventure. See the tags and the comma are coming from right here. Tags and then comma. So make sure you notice that these are in single quotes and then this comma isn't part of the echo, right? That's part of the actual function. Then you have this, which is inside the commas with that space there. Again, part of the function. And then the closing tag. Okay? It can look kind of confusing until you kind of realize what's going on there. So now we have these, and these will link to, if you see down there in the bottom left, tag equals action. You click on that, and it should, list through all the games that have action. But we don't have a tag archive page, at the moment at least, so it won't do anything. But we have those there. So I'm going to leave it up to you if you want to style those yourself, because I will be styling them. And I don't know if I'll do it on camera or not. Like I said though, I'll be recording about 6 or 7 or 8 or so videos and then uploading them through the week. So you should see another video tomorrow, depending on when this video gets out. I think this will be a couple days from when I record it. So yeah. So this is number 24, I believe. Thank you for watching. Next time we will get some more done. My name is Austin. Check out awfulmedia.com and the Awful Media version 2 demo that I have linked to multiple times. Thanks, and I will see you next time.